welcome to JoyKids Vids.
Hi, and today
we'll be making Shamrock shakes.
Shamrock shakes. Let's do them together, okay?
Yay!
Today
we'll be making
Shamrock
shakes.
Shamrock. Together. 1, 2, 3. Shamrock shakes.
JoyKids, thanks for tuning in. It's time for joy. Come on. It's JoyKids Vids. It's JoyKids Vids. It's JoyKids Vids. It's JoyKids Vids.
Okay, so first thing Lazarus wants to do whipped cream. We're gonna put that on. Perfect. And we've got some chocolate. And it's ice cream. Ice cream is gonna be important. And milk, of course. We got the milk.
Oreo.
Okay,
mint.
we're gonna make two different kinds. One, the first one's gonna be made with mint chocolate cookies.
And vanilla ice cream.
And vanilla ice cream, and we're gonna put them in the blender. And hopefully, it'll turn out really yummy.
Yeah.
So, first thing we're gonna do, how much should we make?
You guys,
Put the cookies in.
this was supposed to be a full package of cookies,
This is what happens when you bring cookies into our house.
and I have not had any
How
of
many you
them.
want to put in here? One? No, that's not.
Two.
Let's put two. More than two, right?
We should have-
How many? You're gonna fit it in
You wanted to have a mint
two.
place.
We have to crumble it in. Do we?
Yeah, the blender will do that, but you
Oh,
could.
yeah.
Yeah, you could blend it up. You want to? You could break it up. It doesn't matter. Okay.
See how minty. We want to see how minty it'll taste.
So here's three
That's
of them.
good, that's
Is
good.
3 enough?
Yeah. I think
Okay.
that's enough.
We'll do that. That's 3.
And then
Now,
add the ice cream.
How many scoops of ice cream do you want?
2.
2 big scoops. Okay.
You need to put some milk in it too.
Yeah, we got some milk to put in after we put in the ice cream. Oh boy. Let's do this.
Okay, I think that's enough. Now I need a spoon.
So get this cream on the side. There you go.
Oh my god.
Go put that back in there. That's gross.
Okay, I'm gonna have to clean that off.
Oh boy.
Oh my God.
Couldn't resist, could you? Okay, so that goes in there. And then how much milk should we put in? A little bit. Yeah, right there. Can you see that, everybody? Let's put
1
just a bit there.
millimeter.
1 millimeter.
There.
Okay, that's enough. Okay, so let's put the top on.
Let's blend it.
Just
I'm
hold it
gonna
down. You push the button. Go ahead, push the button.
Huh?
Okay, first off, stop.
It's not green.
Does that look like a green shamrock shake to you?
It doesn't have to be green. It's because of the Oreos. It made it. I think it's the Oreos.
Yeah, you want to try it then? Okay, so
This is what it turned out like.
okay, visually, let's see. It kind of doesn't have. Oh, pour it in the glass for you. Okay, let's look and see. It doesn't look very appetizing, does it?
No, it does not.
First, smell it. Just by smell it. See
It
what's
smells like Oreo cookies. Oreo cookies.
Well, you ready to try it? Come a little closer.
No.
You not ready? Okay, you get 1, 2, 3.
Not too bad.
Yeah, I kind of like it. But it fails in looks. It wouldn't do well as a shamrock.
I don't like the Oreo bits.
the chocolate,
Yeah.
the chocolate cookies. Yeah.
Not a big fan of it.
I think it's good, but it's not what we're looking for. Okay, let's clear the table and go to the next one.
Now we'll be making the Shamrock shake.
Number 2, and this time we're going to be using
Mint chocolate shot.
chip ice cream. So not vanilla based, we're going to use this, and we have some milk. Now the first one didn't turn out too green. It was kind of brown because of the
Can I
chocolate.
do the scoops again?
Yes, you may.
Whoa.
Okay, so here you go.
Still not very green.
No, it doesn't look.
Really
It looks like
I
vanilla.
wonder if the answer is food coloring.
True.
Maybe, I don't know. All right, so here we go. We got green ice cream. Hey, keep your hands off the ice cream. Okay, so here we go. We got green in there, green ice cream. Let's see if we put that aside. And now we put some milk in it. Okay, let's try green food coloring because that's just 1 or 2 drops. I mean, I think that might be the issue. All right, so there we go. We just tried 3 little drops of green,
milk.
of green food coloring and the same amount of, there we go. It looks better already. All right, Mr. Man, push the button.
Is that it?
Push the button. Let's see what happened here. Well, it
I think
looks,
it needs more.
it looks much better. You want? Well, let's see if it tastes okay first.
Okay.
Like it's not going to taste okay. Let's try it. Smell that. Okay, here we go.
So it looks like there's too many chunks of ice cream.
You need more milk in it.
I think we're going to have to blend it a bit more.
Come on.
Throw it in. Just a little chunky stuff. Let's try it.
Put more milk in it.
Okay, you want more milk in it? Okay, more milk. Okay, no, that'd be a bad time. Spray! Yeah, okay. Let's try this one. Wait, like hang on. Okay, here we go. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
You know what? I like it so much. I think we should go another level higher.
How's that?
We gotta get it up even higher.
Okay, well we do have it there. Go ahead.
Hard.
Really? This is supposed to be a Shamrock shake, and that's nothing but whipped cream. Okay.
So, do you wanna open your mouth?
Ah! Over my nose.
Oh no! No!
That's
No! I'm loaded.
You did that. Oh! Anyway, thank you for watching JoyKids Vids. Don't forget to subscribe. Ah, no. Okay. Thank you for watching. If you look down below, you can make a comment, say hi. Great to hear from you. And I'm going to get cleaned up. But
So,
thanks
see you
for
guys
watching.
all later.
No!